Bruh, what up? I'm making a new video. What up, my homies? Today, wow, it is finna rain. Yo, it's finna rain. I got puddles all in my yard. Okay, so guys, today, we're gonna be jumping off the roof. I forget what attempt this is. I'm gonna go see. Well, I think this lighting is really terrible. I need better lighting. Nobody can see me. Much better. So today, I'm gonna be jumping off the roof. Yeah, boy. Let's see what we can do. Don't drop the phone. I am legit only holding the phone with 2 fingers, my thumb and my pinky, and 1 hand, my right hand. So that's probably why the lighting is terrible. I can't get it right. Up high. Oh yeah. Up high. It's pretty. Oh yeah. This is great lighting. Oh no. What happened? Oh, yeah, it's some good lighting over here. Oh, hey, I see Grandma, my friend's dog. Man, it's finna rain. I hope I beat the rain. Yeah, boy. Wow, this thing is already 2 minutes long. Wow. Yep, 2 minutes. Oh, hey, I see my friend's Fat Daddy. Who is that? Oh, yeah, Akeem. What up, Akeem? What up, Fat Daddy? Oh, for real? You got you a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh, for real? Because I'm recording a video right now.
You want to play with us?
I ain't got time to. I do it after this YouTube video, though.
I'm about to leave in a little bit, so I'm about to go back home in a little bit. I don't live on that channel no more. I live by his house now. I just come to that trailer to visit my aunt. She lives in there now.
Oh. Hey, Fat Daddy, you want to be in the video? What you doing?
You playing me? Playing with us. I'll give you extra 10 points. No, we call us playing. Right.
That's what I'm doing. I'm only recording 2 shots from both of y'all. Only the ones y'all make. Okay, that's 1 shot from my king. A miss from my king. Fat Daddy going in. He gonna make the shot. Is he? Is he? And it's a miss. Oh, and the car is approaching the street. My dog is right here. Hey, Snickers. Oh, wait, Akeem, did you make that shot?
No, it didn't count though. It didn't count.
Yes, it did. He made it.
I didn't take it back.
Come on, come on, come on. Another car is coming. Delay, poop. And he is walking in the court. He makes the shot. Oh! Alright, that's it. Y'all both made a shot. So.
I did not.
Uh-huh.
Oh, no, I didn't. He didn't make no shot. He made 0. I don't got no fucking 0. I know, but you made 0 shots.
Come on, man. Oh, he makes the shot. Oh, he misses.
Oh, yeah. I got ball now.
Fat Daddy's going in for the throw. Another car is approaching. He's not gonna make the shot with the car coming. What? It's for the views and a YouTube video and the subscribers. Oh, so close. And our king is coming up the court. He's gonna make the shot. Oh! And he misses. So close. And another car is approaching. Fat Daddy has the ball. The car just turned. Fat Daddy is walking up the court. He goes to shot. And he missed.
Put it up.
Ah!
Yeah, right there.
Was I recording the ground this whole time? Oh! Come on, come on, come on, come on. And he goes for the shot. Ooh, so close. And the bike with the dude is approaching. Our king makes the shot. Ooh, and he misses. So close. Ooh, he goes in for the shot. Oh, and he misses. Bruh, I don't got enough time for this, man. I finna jump off a roof. That the car is approaching. Our king walks up the court and he is going in for the shot. He runs and he shoots. And it's a miss. They are really bad players. The car is approaching, making a left. Another car is approaching, going straight. No, making left. Ooh, and our king has the ball. He is running up the court. I think he's trying to make the shot. Is he gonna make the shot? Oh, so close. And Fat Daddy takes his shoes off. Our king goes in for another shot, gets the ball again and misses the shot. Going in for another shot, running up the court. Oh, Fat Daddy almost has the ball and now he does have it. Fat Daddy is now playing with his socks. I don't know why he's doing that. He might get his socks dirty. Fat Daddy is walking up the court. Our king is coming in. Oh, let's see what he gonna do. Come on, Fat Daddy. Come on. Come on. Bounce. Bounce. Pass. And he makes the shot. That's it for today's basketball game. He don't need to make 2 shots. I said one shot for both of y'all. No, 1 shot for both of y'all. Alright, I tell you what. I will go jump off the roof now. I am going to record the rest of the game when I come back.
No,
okay?
record what's the game now because by the time you get there, jump off the roof, I'm gonna be gone.
It's easy, it's just right there.
We only going to 20 and I got 12, he got 10. It's only a little bit.
Oh, he is really
We
bad.
both good. Just give him about 5 minutes and the game will be over.
But I ain't got 5 minutes on my phone.
Please?
Yo, I got like 3 minutes, man. Come on.
Give us 3 minutes.
3 minutes until my phone die. I need to jump off the roof. That's what this whole video is about. Huh?
I'll take you to go see the basketball game while we're doing the YouTube video.
I don't like basketball.
You don't like football either?
No, not at all.
You don't like
I like
basketball?
basketball more than football.
Alright, we're going to see a basketball game. You know Stephen Curry?
No. I mean, yes.
We're going to see a basketball game with him, right? Do you want to come?
No,
Let's record the whole
no.
basketball game and put it on your YouTube. And then you'll
It's
get a
going
lot
to
of
be
likes.
long, is it?
No, it's not going to be long.
How long is going to be?
About 5 minutes. We only need 8
Dang! Yo, we already wasted up 9 minutes.
Wait, man.
I literally only recorded 2 minutes until y'all came.
Just wait, man. Come on.
Okay, I'm only recording 2 more shots, okay? There's 2 more shots, that's all. And my king is going up the court. Bounce, bounce, bouncing the ball. And I think he's going to shoot any minute now. And he shoots. Oh, and he made it. The ball is rolling. These dudes are coming. Our king goes for the shoot. Oh, and he misses so close. And the car is approaching. The dudes are passing me. Fat Daddy misses the shot so close. He is still, for some reason, playing with his mixed match socks, getting them dirty. And Snippers is on somebody else's yard. Fat Daddy walks up the court. Oh, our king is going to shoot. Oh, Fat Daddy did not get the ball. Oh, so close. Get Fat Daddy a turn already so this basketball stuff can be over. Y'all came here to watch me jump off a roof. And he shoots. He scores! Yeah, boy! Oh! Our king got the ball again! 2 cars approaching! 1 car passed, it's white. 1 car's passed, it's gray. And our king is walking up the court. He's gonna go in for the shoot! Yeah, boy! Is this still? Oh yeah, it is.
Go to Instagram. Shout out to the NBA team and soccer.
Yeah. This is about me, not you. Oh! He makes the shot. Yo, why you pass? This thing is 13 minutes long. I'm probably gonna make some money on this. Oh, hey! I'm doing good. Huh? Yeah?
And shout out to Bale Boy.
Where is
He
he?
does everything for me. Shout out to Bale Boy.
No? I'm recording a YouTube video. I'm recording a YouTube video. And our king makes the shot. I told him, getting his socks dirty. Oh! Oh, so close for our king. I did. Yeah, boy, I told you you couldn't play. He is furious.